Here's a breakdown on how to make Dancefloor DnB. Layer a groovy bass with a Reese bass or a sub bass. You can do two-step drums, but if you want to go for more high-energy club-style drums,
do 4 on the floor.
Layer those drums with an almond break. Grab a house-style hi-hat. Add a high-energy vocal. This can be rhythmic spoken word or just singing.
Tell me,
And once you get to the second drop, give it some variation on the drums. The song used in this breakdown was my new track Amend. You can check it out on my YouTube channel and my SoundCloud.